Across America, a new pharmaceutical infrastructure is being built. New laboratories, new manufacturing, new capacity for the medicines of tomorrow. Science enables the creation of effective medicines, not just infrastructure. Every breakthrough begins earlier with discovery, a molecule, a biological response no one fully understood before. As patent expirations reshape pipelines, science is vital. The ongoing search for what comes next is intensifying further. At GenBio, we study nature's activity to advance science and develop medicine, identifying and characterizing therapeutic opportunities. Because before tomorrow's medicines can be manufactured, they must be found. GenBio, the groundbreaking science behind tomorrow.